Atomos Ninja V is a small form factor monitor recorder perfect for DSLR videographers at only $695. This week's product spotlight is on the new Atomos Ninja V monitor recorder. Record up to 4K P60 10-bit HDR video direct from your camera's sensor. Store edit-ready ProRes or DNx HR on the new Sony Atomos SSD mini drives. This bright 5.2-inch 10-bit HDR monitor has an astounding 1000 nits of output. It's a sleek 1-inch aluminum body crafted for maximum durability, weighing in at only 11 ounces and attaches to any camera rig easily. Audio can be input directly from the camera via HDMI or through the stereo 3.5 line mic input, and is especially useful for cameras that do not have a mic input of their own. If you're a gamer, the Ninja V is also the monitor recorder for you. Output your TV into the Ninja V and record your gameplay for hours with any SSD. Check out our website for more information on the Atomos Ninja V monitor, recorder, and playback device.